Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Mobile phone is not automatically connecting to Wi-Fi router. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Tap on Wi-Fi. Let me turn on Wi-Fi. Here we can see nearby Wi-Fi networks. So Wi-Fi 2024. This is a Wi-Fi router which I am using. See, when I switch on Wi-Fi, mobile phone is not automatically connected to this Wi-Fi router Wi-Fi 2024. Here I have to tap on this Wi-Fi router name, then only it will connect. See, so I will show you how we can fix that issue. So we can tap here on this icon, then turn on this option auto reconnect. Turn on. Done. After that, let me go back, then turn off Wi-Fi, then again go to Wi-Fi. Let me turn on. So this time phone will automatically connect to Wi-Fi router Wi-Fi 2024. See, it's automatically connected. So this way we can fix that issue. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.